Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's episode, I'll be showing you the step-by-step method on how to make payment for the US visa fee on the new US appointment portal. So now before I get started, if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, please kindly subscribe to this channel. Click on the notifications icon, that's the bell icon beside the subscribe button. So whenever I make a new video like this, you don't get to miss it. Now let's jump right into it. Now to get started, the first step is to go to the new US appointment portal, usvisaapp.com. So once you get to the website, log in, click on the login button. Then once you click on the login button, make sure you select your non robot, then click on sign in. So once you click on sign in, automatically it takes you to this website. This is the new US appointment portal. To get started, once you log into the dashboard, just scroll down, click on create new. Once you click on create new, you select a mission, which is the Nigeria mission. Select Nigeria. Once you select Nigeria, click proceed. Once you select Nigeria, you have to select the state that you're planning to apply from, if it is Abuja or Lagos. But let's click on Lagos. Click on proceed. Confirm. Once you confirm that you'll be applying from Lagos, it's going to take you to a new page. So just wait for it to load. Now, how may we assist you? Information services, appointment services. Now click on appointment services. In this particular video, we are trying to book an appointment, or we are trying to make payment for the, in this video we are trying to make payment for the visa fees, which is appointment service. Now select immigrant or non-immigrant visa. In this case it is non-immigrant visa. Click on proceed. So if you're applying for study or visitors visa, it is non-immigrant visa. Once you click on proceed, select the one that applies. As you can see, student, visitor, so select the one that applies. So in this case, you're selecting visitors visa. Click on proceed. Now wait for it to load. It's going to take you to the new page where you can now choose your visa class. As you know, there are different visa classes. There's the B1, there's the B2. Now in this case, if you're not sure of the exact one, now you can quickly search for the one that applies to you. Then you can just click on B1, B2. If you're not sure if you want to click. Now click on proceed. Now all ages groups, now adults. Since you are the only one applying, I'll just select one. Now let's get started. The first step is to select self. In this case, first name, okay, middle name, last name, nationality, Nigerian. So just select Nigeria. NIN number. So just click, select your NIN number, date of birth. So select country of birth. Select Nigeria or from the country of your birth. So now DS160 number. So enter your DS160 number. Click on proceed. Now contact details, applicant's phone number. So I'm just going to enter this number. Email address. Click on proceed. So passport details. This is where you're going to enter your passport number. Insurance dates. Nigeria. passport expiry date, proceed. So once it gets to this stage, you'll be able to see all the information. As you can see, it is $195. So now let's click on proceed to the next step. So once you click proceed to the next step, it's going to take you to the payment page. Now there are different ways of making payment on this site. The first method is through credit debit card. So once you click on this option, you click confirm, click proceed. Then you click on pay visa fee. So once you click on pay visa fee, confirm, it's going to take you to a page where you're going to input your dollar card information to be able to make the payment. But for many people that might be having issues with this particular payment method, so this is where I'm going to the next option of payment. So let's go back. So you can just enter your card name, card number, then make the payment. And in case this does not work for you now, for you to be able to make this particular payment, you would require a dollar card. And for some reason, a lot of people are having issues making payment through this option. So let's go to the next option. The second option is through bank deposit. So we've tried the first option, which is making payment through the credit card or debit card. Now the second option is through the bank deposit. All you have to do is to click on bank deposit. So this is where you have to make payment to the bank or you transfer to the bank. So now click on I confirm and click on proceed. Once you click on confirm proceed, application fee. So select, now there are two options here, but let's start with generate deposit slip first. So what you're trying to make payment for is application fee, right? Select the bank, in this case, First Bank. As you can see, it generates a receipt number, amount in Naira, which is 305,250. Now, date created, which is 22/10/2024, and expiry date. It's going to expire in 3 days. So you have to ensure that you make this payment within 3 days. Now let's click on generate. It's going to generate the payment option. All you have to do is to click on download. Once you click on download, this is the payment information. Now that it has generated this information, this is what you're going to take to First Bank to make the payment. So once you download that particular information, now you take this information to First Bank to make payment. So now that's the first option. And in case you don't want to go through that stress, that's where you can now use the third option. As you can see, this is the Amentum reference number, bank deposit First Bank, total amount 305,250. Another the second step is you can once you generate this information, you can pay directly to First Bank. Now the third payment option is if you don't want to go through the First Bank to make payment, you can just click on this link here. It will take you to an online platform where you can make payment for the visa fee. You select the one that applies, B1, B2, expiry date. So now I come back here to confirm the expiry date, which is 25th of October. So it's going to expire on this date. Then click on get details. As you can see, successfully retrieved. Proceed to initiate payment. Now enter the applicant's surname, other names, passport number. So you have to enter the applicant's passport number. So in this case, you enter it again. Now enter the applicant's date of birth. So just enter the ones that apply. Please make sure you enter the correct information. So enter the applicant's phone number. Now, it's going to ask you for their Mentum reference number. So to find their Mentum reference number, go back to the slip that was generated. As you can see, this is the Amentum reference number. Now copy out this information, enter it here, amount in Naira and USD. So click on Initiate Payment. Once you click on Initiate Payment, you're going to see another page entirely. Please enter payer's details. Payer's first name, enter your name, last name, email address. So enter your email address, phone number, as you can see, payment method, fund transfer. You now click on make payments. As you can see, do not refresh this page until payment is successful. So as you can see, it's going to show you this information. It's not going to ask you to, it's going to create a virtual account for you, and the account will be valid for 1 hour. So all you have to do is to log into your payment app. So you have to transfer into this account number. So all you just have to do is log into your app, enter this particular account number. It's going to show your name as I've inputted it here. So once it shows your name, you transfer into that particular account, then it's going to generate the payment receipt. Once you transfer into this account, automatically it's going to confirm your payment and say payment successful. As you can see, it's currently showing me payment not received or something, or it's going to be showing you error until that payment has been made. As you can see, payment confirmation failed. So the moment the payment has been confirmed, it's going to show a successful payment on the site. So once it shows you a successful payment, that means your payment has been verified. Then the next step is to, once your payment has been verified, you're going to download the visa fee receipt. So once you download the visa fee receipt, you now have to come back to this portal. Now this is where you now have the bank deposit details. Once you've successfully made this payment, on the visa fee that you've generated, there's going to be a deposit slip reference number. Now copy the reference number into this box and copy the date of deposit. Notice the date of deposit is different from the expiry date for payment. So enter the date that you deposited the payment. So which means in this case, it is 22nd of October. So now enter the reference number. Then you click on submit. So the moment you click on submit, basically that's the end of the whole process. They can now wait for your profile to be approved. Then you can now book an early appointment. So if you find this video useful, don't forget to smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Click on the descriptions icon. That's the bell icon beside the subscribe button, so that whenever I make a new post like this, you don't get to miss it. Now, if you find this video useful, don't forget to share it with other people that might be needing this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.